Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can print your sheets from your Smartsheet account. So let us dive right into this. So in the first step, head over to your workspace in Smartsheet and access one of your project sheets you would like to print. And you will need to access or view your sheet through the Gantt view. To do that, click into that view here, into that drop-down menu and select Gantt. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click into File Unit top left and select Print. After that, go through that short setup. For example, you may select your entire sheet or specific date range. For example, all dates or a custom date range. You can select the paper size below, the margins, adjust the orientation like landscape or portrait, adjust also the scaling or fit to width, and so on and so forth. Go through these options to the right and include the logo, the sheet name, row numbers, page numbers, and so on and so forth. Once you're ready, guys, click into OK here, and that is going to download your Gantt view or your project sheet in Gantt view in PDF, and it is also going to automatically open the project sheet in PDF so that you may start the printing through your installed PDF reader on your device, which in this case here on my device or my computer is Adobe. And once that's done, guys, simply go to that pre-printing setup and decide how many pages you would like to print. You may go, for example, with the page sizing handling, select a different size poster, select the actual size. Again, adjust the orientation, switch to portrait or landscape. You may go a bit more in depth by, for example, clicking into page setup here and, for example, select a different page format from A4 to another one, and so on and so forth, guys. If you'd like to print your project sheet only colorless or only black and white without colors, select print in grayscale here. And once that's done, click into print at the bottom to start or to initiate the printing process of your project sheet. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.